Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, so I'm at my friend's house and she decided she's going to have her kitchen redone. She's going with granite for her countertops and she is going to get her cabinets all repainted, and I think she's going either with a creamy or a Dover white is what she's going to use. So I wanted to get a picture of her kitchen now before she gets started, and then I'll come back when it's all completed and give you guys an update. We have arrived in Tampa. It says open to the public, granite, marble, quartz, insulation. I'm here with my girlfriend today, and she's here to pick out her new granite for her kitchen install. Now they do have the templates that will be going inside, and she'll be checking those on the slabs of granite for her new kitchen countertops. Now we're at KB Factory Outlets, so let's go ahead and go inside and see what she picks out. Well, this slab of granite is called Colonial White. Now she has two different slabs to choose from. So what they're doing now, she gets to take the template that came from her kitchen countertops and she gets to move it around on the different slabs to see what particular area of the different veining and variations of the granite that she wants for her countertop. So in their warehouse, they have over 500 colors of granite and quartz to choose from. So as we go down these aisles, here's all the slabs, either granite or quartz, that you have to choose from. And they have these at a discounted price. Well, today's the day. They're here to install her granite. So let's go ahead inside and see how the process is done.
So this morning I had the brand new glass come in that was going to remove the window. They said that the window is unable to be removed because it's behind the stucco. And I told them originally it was a pass-through window, but it's called a double hung window. And now this gentleman's going to see if they can just take the formica out instead of having the window down. So over here is the plumbing and the new installation of the deep sink, 50-50 double. But the plumbing, when you're redoing a kitchen counter, apparently this particular sewer thing has to come down over here. So everything has to be pushed down lower to be able to
Accommodate
install that sink.
So as you can see, the guy is going to be removing the laminate and then he's going to be replacing it with a granite countertop. They just installed this granite over here next to her stove, and I was wondering how they would secure the granite, and they say they use a silicone. It's going to hold the granite, and of course it's super heavy, and it's sitting on top of her cabinets. So he's mixing up some epoxy, and this is going to be used in the seams right here by her sink.
You are a star. You're here in my kitchen.
Yeah, so tell us about the different granite levels.
Well, level 1 is the lowest price range granite, which is maybe like 6 different ones. Let me think of the names. Chalo Ornamental, Ubatuba, Santa Cecilia, and a couple other ones. I can't remember the names right now. But they're the most solid ones. And then level 2, it has more minerals than level 1, so they look better, but they have having more minerals. That means they're more porous, have more pores on them. That makes them more accessible for the water or for whatever liquid go into it. And then level 3, same thing. As it goes up, it gets even more exotic and more different minerals.
Which they didn't tell me then.
Yeah, so tell us about what you think about the highest level being.
It's beautiful.
Oh, it does. So it
gorgeous.
just
It's
the look of it's
definitely
beautiful, but
Yes.
then
But the more
Upkeep.
beautiful it is, more different minerals it has. So it has different colors on it.
Yes.
And that's how it gets more.
I see.
It develops. It's like having a baby, and it just becomes
Granite-
the adult. And
Granite is not one stone.
Uh-huh.
Granite is accumulation of minerals.
layers.
Layers of minerals
But
accumulated.
you said the more expensive stone, what happens to it? You said it can chip easily.
Yeah, basically. The more expensive, the more minerals they have, and they could come apart easier.
I got the middle of the road though.
This is a good one. This is a good stone. It's solid.
Good. As a reminder, this granite is called Colonial White or Balthus, and it has a 1/2 inch bevel.
And I can't wait to see her cabinets painted, which she'll be getting done sometime the 1st of December. And then when they go ahead and install her sink here, this is going to have to be replumbed, and I believe this thing here needs to be cut down, or something needs to be redone with this in order for her sink to fit in here. This is a look at her cabinets before they got painted. Now she's going with a Dover White by Sherwin-Williams.
This was a 5-day process, and the ladies were here the first day removing cabinets, door fronts, etc., and took them back home to spray paint them. I had chosen the Network Gray from Sherwin-Williams and Dover White from Sherwin-Williams, and Each time they would come here from anywhere from 3 to 5 hours. It also required 6 coats of cabinet enamel paint by Stylish Spaces, and the completion was on the 5th day with just some touch-ups and putting the hardware back in the doors. So everything really came out well.
I think the kitchen came out amazing. What a great way to update your kitchen by painting your cabinets and adding some granite to your countertops. I hope this inspires you to get creative with your kitchen. Now, if you have any questions regarding this kitchen makeover process, just leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more DIY decorating. And until next time, happy decorating!